So the question is, after an auto injury, should I speak to an auto injury adjuster? The answer to that would be typically you're supposed to speak to an auto injury adjuster so that you can get the claim started. If you feel that this auto injury adjuster is misleading you in any way, or they want you to settle the case right away, which would mean it would not be in your favor to do that, we can always, there's representation of attorneys that deal with auto accidents in the region all the time. And so that's the answer to whether or not you should speak to an auto injury adjuster.